A very good morning, children. Happy Thursday, all of you. Yes, from today onwards, again our video classes, recording classes will going to start. Fine. Today is Thursday, right? Yes, Thursday means which topic will come? Which subject? Yes, of course, it is EVS, and topic is about varieties of food. Variety of food, okay? And the date is today. Date is 7/10/2021, and the day is Thursday. 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 Okay. Class, which class are you all? Second standard. Yes. Fine. In the last class, what we have studied? In the last class, I have given introduction. I have explained the chapter regarding the topic varieties of food. Yes or no, children? Yes. What are the points I have explained? I have explained in the previous class. How much food is required? How we need or why we need food? What does food gives us? Food gives us energy to work and play. Why do we need food? We need food to live. Yes or no? Yes. What are the sources of food? Plants and animals are the sources of food. Yes. Different kinds of food helps us in different ways. The different kinds of foods are bodybuilding food, energy giving food, and protective food. Yes or no? Yes. About this information I have given. Why we need bodybuilding food? To grow. Keeps our muscles and bones strong. We need bodybuilding food. What are the bodybuilding food? Examples for bodybuilding food: meat, then fish, then milk, eggs. These are the examples we can give for the bodybuilding food. The second one is energy giving food. Why we need energy giving food? Energy giving food gives us energy to work and play. Yes or no? Yes. Bread, rice, chapati, jaggery, sugar. These are the energy giving food. Then the last one is protective food. All kinds of fruits and vegetables are called protective food. Prevents us from falling sick, protect against from the diseases. So we need protective food, bodybuilding food, energy giving food to stay healthy and strong. Yes or no, children? Yes. Okay. Then we have 3 meals of the day. One is breakfast, the second one is lunch, and the third meal of the day, last meal of the day, that is called dinner. We should not supposed to skip our meals. We should take food in a proper intervals. Okay. Fine. So some of the people will eat vegetarian item, plant obtained product. Some of the people eat both plant obtained products as well as the product obtained from the product is obtained from animals. They eat both. Okay, they are called non-vegetarian. And we have to maintain a balanced diet. The diet contains all the nutrients that are required by our body in required amount is called balanced diet. Okay, it gives us energy to stay healthy and fit, helps us to grow, remain healthy. We have to maintain a balanced diet, and some of the eating habits also we have to follow. We should not waste food. As much as we need, that much only we should serve. Then we have to drink plenty of water. We should avoid junk food. We should always eat healthy food. Then we should always take meals with our family members. Then we have to maintain a table manners before going to meal. After the meal, we have to wash our hands. We have to rinse our mouth. These are the food eating habits we have to follow to stay healthy. Junk food means pizza, burger, pani puri, gobi. These are called junk food. Very less nutrients, and it is not good for health, children. That is called junk food. Okay. Then about food, explain about this chapter varieties of food. These are the information I have given till in the last class. I have given this much information about the topic variety of food. In this class, in this session, I am going to give you the notes regarding this topic varieties of food. Please open your EVS classwork and be ready with the class with eraser and pencil. Start with the keywords. Okay. Keywords. First one, write down. Balanced diet. Balanced diet. DIET. BALANCED. Balanced diet. In the next class, I will not send any video, children. I am going to give an activity. regarding the topic varieties of food. Okay. In the Saturday class, you have again you have EVS, right? Yes. What you have to do is you have to write an essay about the topic food. Clear? What you have to write? You have to write the essay about the topic is food. What you have to write it since I will tell you. Which fruit do you like most? Which sweet do you like most? Which vegetable do you like most? How much food? How the food is important in our life? Okay, why we need food? It's it. You have to write at least minimum 10 lines of essay. You have to write regarding the topic food. Okay, this is the activity I am going to give you for the next class. You have to write the essay about the topic food and you have to send it to me through WhatsApp. I am going to check your essay. Okay, you have to write yourself, children. All the spellings and all you have to try. Clear? Now you are in second standard. Yes, you can try. Along with the phonic sounds, you can able to write the spellings of each and every word. Okay. This is the activity for next class. I hope you all have clear about this activity. Fine. The first keyword is balanced diet. Finished. Next. Second one, junk food. Junk, junk food. FOOD, food. Third one is energy. 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 Fourth one is energy. Everyone done right? Yes. Fourth one is protective. 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 Fifth one. First one balanced diet. Second one junk food. Third one energy. Fourth one protective. Fifth one bodybuilding. Bodybuilding. BOD by body building. BUILDING. Bodybuilding. Over. Sixth one. Vegetarian. 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 For whom we call vegetarian, children? The people eat only plant obtained product. For them we call as vegetarian people. Vegetarian people eat only vegetables, fruits, nuts. They are called vegetarians. Okay. The people who eat meat, egg, fish are called non-vegetarian people. Why we have divided vegetarian and non-vegetarian? Because the food habits of people also depend on the region. That's the reason. Okay. The food habits, it's depend on their region. That's the reason we have divided vegetarian people and non-vegetarian people. It seems. Till vegetarian over. Next. Seventh one, plants. PLANTS, plants. Eighth one, animals. ANIMALS, animals. Ninth one, proteins. 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 kinds of meat, eggs, rich in protein, right? Yes. Ova in proteins. Next, N1 vegetables. 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 Next, fruits. Fruits and vegetables are protective food, right? Yes. 12th one. Vegetables over. Vegetables. Vegetables. Fruits. 12th one. Pulses. 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 Next, 13th one, breakfast. 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 14 and 15. Breakfast over break fast. Fast. Honeybees. Honey is obtained from beehives. Honey, right? Honey is obtained from honeybee. Next, diseases. 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 15th one, grow. 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 These are the 15 odd words I have given in the session. First one is balanced diet, junk food, energy, protective, bodybuilding, vegetarian, plants, animals, proteins, vegetables, fruits, pulses, breakfast, diseases, grow. Okay, you have to learn and write. Okay, learn and practice all the 15 words, children. Okay, each and every spelling you have to learn. Clear? Okay, what is the spelling of animals? A, right? Yes. Ani, Ni, Ani, Ma, Ma, Mals. La means L, Sa means yes, animals. Use phonic sound and try to write by your own children. Simply don't copy. Along with phonic sound, try to write. Okay, small spellings, easy spellings you can write. Now you are in second standard. If you try, definitely it will come. Clear, children? Okay, all the 15 words you have to learn. In the next session, what you have to do? You have to write an essay about the topic, varieties of food. Which fruit, which vegetable, which sweet do you like most? It says you have to write it. Why you will like that fruit, that vegetable, that sweet most? It says you have to write it. And how much food is important for our life? Why we need food? What kind of food we have to take to stay healthy? It says. Just write up 10 lines of paragraph, 10 lines of essay regarding the topic food and send it to me through WhatsApp. I'm going to check your essay. Thank you, children. Bye.